Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I've been fielding this question a lot, and I finally figured out probably the best way to answer it. Only took me a couple 20, 30 times. Alright, everybody's wanting to know what to do, what's next. Well, this is what's so very challenging when you're on your own, and I actually think it speaks volumes of the type of person that you are, because college is challenging because yes, you have to get the motivation around to get going, to get yourself up. But the counterpoint is I'd like to point out that there's a curriculum that you get to follow. So, but yes, it is extremely challenging. But I would then even argue that not having curriculum and not knowing what to do, there is some very similarities between being self-employed, because no one's there to tell you what to do next, what you should try, the task that is a necessity to do next. So now to answer on to the question that you are probably hoping to see. So let me tell you my story. I try to always bring this back to my experiences so I can speak to this. So for those of you who've been around a while, I trade in the stock market. But I was spending a great deal of time researching. And so then I would have, I was pulling things down, and just like I've been learning Python over all these years, and I'm learning something every day to either optimize something or new features or very, very advanced skill sets, or being challenged with questions from students or subscribers. But all right, I equate this to I needed a way to pull down all of the stocks, because I was screening, I was using other screeners, and they were okay, but I knew there had to be more out there. I knew there had to be more, and I knew that there had to be ways to see everything. But the point of this is that I picked something that I was extremely interested in, and secondly, it needed to get solved. So because the hours that I was spending on solving this problem, what it was doing is on the backside was going to free me up to analyze and do more analysis, and it would open up this Pandora's box of all these other companies that I was overlooking. But the point of this is you want it to be something that you care very, very much about, so when you do hit that wall, you'll climb over it, dig under it, run around it. It's something that you have to get done, something that can push, pull, keep you motivated. That's why timelines are very, very powerful. Some of the biggest names you'll know, Disney was heavily into setting almost unrealistic timelines, and but people figured out a way to get things done. So that's also what I did. The YouTube videos were coming and going, but I had to make it bigger than me. So I set a goal of a video a day a couple years ago. Wow, was that challenging? But I made the audience more important than myself. So I would sometimes it became rote. It wasn't an option. And it's just like going to the gym. You just make it a part of your routine. So make solving that problem part of your routine, that project part of your routine. And then what you find out is the things that you learn accidentally. I love accidental things. Most of our important discoveries were accidental. My favorite one is the microwave. People were completely unaware of that technology. Completely accidental. All right. So I've rambled on enough today, but the point of this is what to do next. What to do next is find something that makes it bigger than yourself. That's the trick. So with college, you have this curriculum out there that you're interested in. You go to class, somebody tells you things. So as an independent learner, you have to make something bigger than yourself. Either set a schedule, set a deadline, or have a goal for a project that you can peck away with a little bit every day. So there we go. That's what you need to do next. So hope that helped some of you. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.